that today's assembly is about Diwali. But why do we celebrate Diwali?
Don't worry, our friends are there to tell us more about Diwali. Let's invite our friends to share some interesting information about this festival.
Everyone, today I will tell you the meaning of Diwali. The word Diwali is derived from the Sanskrit term Dipavi, which means row of lights. This festival symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. Every year, this festival is celebrated on Amavasya in the month of Kartik.
The whole nation celebrates Diwali and it is celebrated by many religions but for slightly different reasons. The Hindus celebrate this awesome festival to rejoice the return of Lord Rama from 14-year exile after defeating the evil king Ravana, marking the victory of good over evil. Pay homage Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Thank you.
Celebrate Diwali as Mandi Chhod Divas. It celebrates the victory of the 6th Guru Har Gobind Ji from the prison of the Emperor Jahangir, who had imprisoned him and 52 other kings with him in 1690.
Projects also celebrate the festival to honor their emperor Ashoka's decision to convert to Buddhism and follow a path of peace and enlightenment. Thank you.
Celebrate Diwali to mark spiritual awakening of their Lord Mahavira, marking the enlightenment of mankind from darkness.
In the lead-up to Diwali, people prepare by cleaning and renovating their homes and workplaces. During Diwali, celebrants wear their finest clothes, illuminate the interior and exterior of their homes with diyas and rangoli. They perform worship ceremonies to Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth. People also exchange gifts with their relatives and friends. Thank you. Now I invite Vidanshi to share some
Green Diwali. 1. Avoid using electric light to illuminate your home. Instead, opt for diyas, earthen lamps and candles. This saves electricity. 2. Limited uses of firecrackers that emit enormous smoke and sound, or opt for eco-friendly crackers. 3. Dispose of waste properly after celebration. Thank you.
Hope you understand the disadvantages of burning crackers and avoid pollution this Diwali.
Now I would like to call Tijal and Ayan to share some safety measures.
Everyone, some important safety measures. Number 1. Cotton garments. Make sure everyone in your family wear cotton clothes while playing with fireworks. Synthetic fabrics catch fire very easily. Number 2. Emergency numbers. Make sure everyone in your family have emergency numbers noted down. Numbers of doctors, fire station, police station, etc. in case of any emergency.
First aid kit. Most important safety tip is keeping a first aid kit handy for emergency purpose. A bucket of water or sand. A bucket of water or sand can come handy in tackling a minor fire mishap. Discard used fireworks. Discard the used fireworks with care. You can either put them in a bucket of water or cover them with some sand to dissipate the heat. Thank you.
It's class 3D. I'm going to showcase a beautiful dance performance to mark.
रंगोली से है Diwali